This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rolled sugar cookies. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Cream the softened butter and sugar together until light and fluffy, then beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until a soft dough forms. This foundational step is crucial for delicious cookies. Once your dough is ready, divide it into 2 equal portions and gently flatten each into a disc shape. Wrap these discs tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate them for at least 1 hour. This chilling process is essential as it prevents the cookies from spreading too much in the oven. When ready, roll out 1 disc of dough on a lightly floured surface to a consistent 1/4 inch thickness for even baking. Now for the fun part, cutting your cookies. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create various shapes from the rolled dough. Carefully transfer these cutouts to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring a little space between each cookie. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Watch them closely to prevent overbaking. After baking, let your beautiful sugar cookies cool completely on a wire rack before you even think about decorating them. This prevents your icing from melting or sliding off. You can use royal icing for a crisp, professional look, or a simple buttercream for a softer, sweeter touch. Get creative with colors and designs. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, decorated treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.